Okay, good morning, children. We were discussing on the topic civilizing the native, educating the nation. Before going ahead, we will take a quick revision of yesterday topic. And yesterday we discussed fine. Uh, Yesterday we discussed on this topic. It was the tradition of Orientalism. Then the word meaning, linguistic, madarsa, Orientalist, munshi, and vernacular. है ना? And the famous personality William Jones, who was the Orientalist plus linguistic, who promote Indian language, है ना? Learned various Indian languages and translate languages, है ना? So and help India uh, languages, Indian languages, and establish so many madarsas, Hindu Vishwavidyalaya, etc. This is the image of Hindu college at Banaras. Now, what was the grave errors of the East? According to the Western culture, they thought that Indian culture or the Asiatic culture is the they people of Asia, they were very backward without any European uh, interference. They cannot be क्या upgrade है ना? फिर person against Orientalist. The person first of all we read about that was the James Mill, who opposed the Orientalists. He thought that such type of learning Sanskrit and Hindi and Persian is a just wastage of money. They should not use, they should not waste their money for this all. Okay. And the second person again Orientalist, that was a Thomas Babington Macaulay. है ना? उन्होंने क्या किया था? He was completely against the Indian learning. ठीक. So next step में हमने क्या पढ़ा था? About the Macaulay. After Macaulay, we learned about the famous person. This is the image of Babington Macaulay. Okay. फिर we studied about the commerce, study of commerce. Actually, the Britishers, the people of British, है ना? They wanted to make loyal clerks. They actually needed loyal clerks for their companies, their industries, their offices, for all. That's why they wanted to make educate the people of India, है ना? So today we will discuss about the Wood Dispatch, है ना? Charles Wood. Charles Wood came India. Fine. Charles Wood came India in 1854, है ना? And it was issued by Charles Wood. He was the president of board of control of the company. It come to be known as Wood Dispatch. They gave more importance to the practical benefits. Wood Dispatch argued that European learning would improve the moral character of Indians. Yes, moral characters of Indians. What they thought that people of Western people, what they were thinking about the Indian culture, they don't have any morality. This would make them truthful, honest, and thus supply the company with a civil servant who could be trusted and dependent upon. Look what here, these line, trusted and dependent upon. वो ट्रस्टवर्दी भी होंगे इंडियन जो उनके क्लर्क बनेंगे, प्लस दे विल बी डिपेंडेंट अपॉन उनके ऊपर, किनके ऊपर? ब्रिटिश के ऊपर डिपेंड भी होंगे. इज इट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? The literature of West could not develop the skill required for administration. Educational department of the government were set up to extend control over all matters regarding education. Now, this was the time when British wanted to capture, or British wanted to means establish their approach on all type of matter of education related to education. And this is the image of Charles Wood. Yesterday, we have already seen this. So what were the steps taken by this Wood dispatch? First of all the universities and the boards were established, which we are enjoying today nowadays for Hana. For example, you students are student of CBSE board, Hana. Like that. Steps were taken to establish a system of university of education. In 1857, the universities were being established in the Calcutta, Madras and Bombay. There were many attempts to bring changes in the system of schools. Means earlier at that time, schools means what? Schools means, in a further topic, I am going to tell the same thing. Then after, children, I want to know from your side what the meaning of schools. That time, अगर हम पुराने जमाने की बात करें और पूछे कि स्कूल कैसे होते थे, so in under a roof, a Gurudev or the Guruji supposed to teach and children surrounding them, Upanishad type of, है ना, or under the banyan tree, no age limits, so many things, so many means drawbacks were there, है ना. So according to Wood's dispatch, it was told to make a report on Indian schools. Look at here, William Adam. In 1830, William Adam, a Scottish missionary, toured the districts of Bengal and Bihar. Okay? He did this because he was asked by the company to report the progress of education in vernacular school. Vernacular schools means the vernacular is the language or dialect that is most widely spoken or ordinary people in region or country. Means हमारी जो local language होती है, that is vernacular, like Hindi. And for us, it is Hindi. Fine. So William Adam was the next name or the next person. Fine. He make report. The report of Adam is interesting. So he visited Bihar, Bengal, like, है ना, and he made a report. And in this report, it was written over there that he found that there were over 1 lakh schools in Bengal and Bihar. There were a small institution with over 20 students. Look at here, more than 1 lakh schools were there. But each school, how many students were there? Only 20 students were there. The total number children being taught in these Pathshalas were considerably over 20 lakhs. Simple, eh? 20 into 1, 20 lakhs. They were set up by wealthy people or the local community. Yes. The next thing was these schools were set up by the rich people of the particular area who wanted to make educate their child or children. Fine. So these type of setups were there as a पाठशाला, और जिसमें जाके जितने भी बड़े घर के बच्चे होते थे, they supposed to learn. Fine. The next topic we are going to discuss is, in this Pathshala there were no fixed fee. No fixed fee, it means suppose one is Bhumika, I think you need to check your internet connection because other children are saying that my voice is clear. Right? Just because of cloudy weather it may be. Fine. So no fixed fee. What's the meaning of no fixed fee? Fee. It means all the people were not paying fees. Suppose one student is the son of Jamidar, so he will pay high fee. Other student is a son of a farmer or the peasant, so he will pay a less amount of fee. That's why it is written over there. No fixed fee was there. Fine. Children, it is very important. Means various types of question could be asked from this Adams report regarding Pathshala. What was the feature of Pathshala? है ना? Question could come for 5 marks. You need to write all the points. So listen it carefully. No printed books. No separate school buildings. No blackboards. No system of separate classes. No roll call registers, no annual exam, no regular timetable. And the next was, this mean that even children of peasant families could study. Now we will discuss this. Yes, you can see Bhumika. And please, beta, when the lecture is going on, don't send such type of chat because it's interrupt the class, na? So we were discussing about the report of Adams. He found that there were 1 lakh, ये ठीक है, 1 lakh schools, 20 students in each, total 20 lakh students were there. Next point is, these Pathshala, there were no fixed fee. I told why no fixed fee was there. No printed books. Yes, teachers supposed to taught Sanskrit, so they have a Sanskrit book their own. उससे teacher बोलते जाता था, students supposed to repeat the same. ठीक है? Separate, no separate school building. It means no classes. है ना? Nowadays what is happening, this is grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, like 6A, 6B, 6C, like this, है ना? But that time no separate school buildings. It means single room was there. All the age group of children supposed to sit in a single room. No benches, chairs. Yes. No blackboards. No blackboards because oral tradition was there. Teacher supposed to tell the words and students repeat afterwards. No system of separate classes. और अगर पढ़ाना भी होता था उनको, जैसे अक्षर ज्ञान देना, लिखवाना है, तो वो रोलर बोर्ड जैसा कुछ होता था, उसके ऊपर लिखाते थे. No separate classes, no roll call register, nothing was there. No annual examination. Yes, teacher supposed to ask, हाँ बच्चों बताओ हमने क्या पढ़ाया, and children replies. Those who replies, it means they are educated. Those who are not able to reply, it means they have to repeat the class. They have to sit in the classroom. No regular timetable. It means when the harvesting time, because the children of peasants were also reading in the studying in the same school. So at the time of harvesting, means twice in a year, school were closed. एक बार फसल लगाने के समय, एक बार फसल उठाने के समय. Clear, children? So these was the feature of Pathshala. Question could be twisted. It could be asked like, write a detailed note on Adams report. What was the feature of schools in British period? है ना? कैसे भी twisted question could be asked. Okay, children? So be prepared. Read it carefully. Is there any doubt? Because it is very important point, very important topic. Is there any doubt? No? Okay. So after the Adams report, after William Adams report, new routines and new laws were made for the Indian education system. Okay. After the report of William Adams, new education system and new rules and laws were introduced in India. New routines and new rules. Up to the mid 18th century, the company was concerned primarily with higher education. It also allowed the local Pathshala to function without much interference. Yes, for the primary level. Look at children, second point. It also allowed the local Pathshalas to function without much interference. Means the local Pathshala was how it was, basic knowledge was there. Means the knowledge of letter, how to write the letter, है ना? How we can use alphabets. इन हिंदी वी कैन कॉल इट स्वर एंड व्यंजन. आप लोग भी बचपन में पढ़ते हैं ना, अ से लिखना शुरू करते हैं, फिर मात्राएं किधर लगाने सीखते हैं. दैट वाज देयर ओनली, है ना, इन पाठशाला. फॉर सो दे डिडंट चेंज द सिस्टम ऑफ पाठशाला. They did not change the system of Pathshala. Why? Because they use this Pathshala as a primary school. Fine. उन्होंने प्राइमरी स्कूल के लिए इन पाठशाला को यूज किया. Okay, children? After 1854, the company decided to improve the system of vernacular education. Now the company was not satisfied. Not satisfied with what? Not satisfied with the Hindi study. They were not liking this vernacular language, है ना? They thought that this could be done by introducing order within the system, imposing. System is imposing. What was the system that time? British system was there, है ना? And what was the Britishers' language? It was English. Establishing rule and ensuring regulation inspections. और अब इसके बाद स्कूल में क्या होने लगा? Proper inspections and all the things were started happening there. Fine. How was these things to be done? It appointed a number of government pandits. Now look at here, government pandits. That time, who supposed to be the Gurujis? Only the pandit. Each in charge of looking after 4 to 5 schools. Yes, without hurting their dignities, they appointed regular panditji as a government teacher for the primary schools, and under that panditji 4 to 5 pathshalas were there, है ना? According to new routines and new laws, what was there? 4 to 5 pathshalas were there. Fine. Their work was to visit the school and try to improve the standard of teaching. Each and every guru was asked to submit periodic report and take class according to the timetable. Yes, now according to the new routine, timetable was set कि कौन सी क्लास में कौन सी पढ़ाई होगी, कौन कहाँ पे कैसे पढ़ाएगा, है ना? Then the local teacher were also asked to submit their report of class. Class test was started taken. Okay. And textbooks were introduced. Learning was to be tested through a system of annual exam, and after the completion of every year there was a annual exam, है ना? जो आज भी आप लोग देते हैं. So all because of British. Students were now asked to pay regular fee, whether it was a son of a jamidar or a son of a peasant. A fixed fee, amount of fee was decided and all have to pay the fee. Attended regular classes. Sit on a fixed seat. हाँ मतलब आज मैं यहाँ बैठ गया, कल मैं वहाँ बैठ गया, कल मैं वहाँ बैठ गया. It was not there. All the things became fixed. And obey the new rules of discipline. Pathshala which accepted the new rules were supported through government grants. Now, two things were there. Again, some people thought that the British government is unnecessarily destroying the tradition of India, the Pathshala, the Sanskrit, the school. They are trying to impose English language unnecessarily. So some Pathshala easily, in some places, they easily accepted these changes, these routines and all, but some did not accept it. So those who accepted, they started getting government grants. मतलब government का support उनको मिलना शुरू हो गया. Those who were unwilling to work within the new system received no government support. जिन्होंने नहीं accept किया, उनको government support नहीं मिला. Is it clear? Up to here, is there any doubt to anyone? Now you can ask. Is there any doubt? Children, is there any doubt? Tehel, Naman, Moksh, Lavanya, Kriti, Keshav, Jainam, Ishika, Gunjan, Disha, Deep, Charu, Bhavi. Is there any doubt to anyone? Yes, Naman? What happened? By mistake, you raised your hand. Okay, fine. Got it. So, Naman, want to say something? Bolo.
Ma'am, which type of support they get from government?
financially support and this system support and other support. Suppose these routines and laws were introduced, so how it could be implemented? The best thing is financially support, infrastructure support, है ना? Okay, so shall we continue further topics? In the earlier system, children from poor peasants families had been able to go to pathshalas. Look at here, children. Again, I would like to say here, each coin has a two aspect, a good or a bad. Earlier, when the pathshala system were there, what was there? Twice in a year. Matlab no fixed timetable was there. Holidays, vacations, no limits. Twice in a year, what was there? They got holiday at the time of growing crops and at the time of harvesting. They were getting holiday. So it was very easy to go to school for the children of peasants also. And the no fixed fee was there, means if the child is son of a jamidar or any rich people or noble people, they supposed to pay a high amount of fee to support the school. And those who are the children of poor family, belongs to a poor family or the peasants, they were either not paying fees or they were paying very less amount of fee. So in this case, all the people of India, all the people, those who are eager to learn the things, being educated, they were able to go to school. But just because of new routines or law, what happened? Now the fees were fixed, time were fixed, all the things were fixed. So it became means they started facing trouble, है ना? और गरीब किसान के बच्चों के लिए स्कूल जाना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया. मीन्स क्या हो गया? एडुकेशन जो हो गया सिर्फ रिच लोगों के लिए हो गया, है ना? Since the timetable was fixed, the discipline of the new system demanded regular attendance even during the harvest time when children of poor families had to work in the fields. Inability to attend the school come to know as indiscipline as evidence of the lack of desire to learn. It means if the children is not regular, it would be considered that they do not learn the things. और उनको स्कूल से निकाल दिया जाता था. Fine. Next topic is the agenda for national education. The agenda for national education. The British officials were not the only people thinking about education in India. From the early 19th century, many thinkers from different parts of India began to talk of the need of a wide spread of education. Look at children. Education came in India as a revolution, है ना? एकदम क्रांति की तरह यहाँ पे आई थी. But to be very frank, Britishers were very tricky. They always supposed to play trick with Indian people, है ना? With us, with Indians. So they introduced education for themselves also, themselves only, not also themselves only. तो इससे क्या हुआ था? हमारे जो इंडिया के बड़े बड़े थिंकर्स थे, फिलोसोफर्स थे, रिफॉर्मर्स थे, they also work for national education. They felt कि Indian people should learn the things, should be educated, but in a our way, in a our tradition. Our means Indians, है ना? From the early 19th century, many thinkers from different parts of India began to talk of the need of a wide spread of education. They said this because they were impressed with the development in Europe. Some Indians felt that Western education would help modernize Indian. Now, again, this thing, some thought that Western education is good, some thought that Indian education is good. They urged the British to open more schools, colleges, and universities and spend more money on education. There were other Indians, however, who reacted against Western education. Now again we have two types of thinkings. So before starting the new slide, I would like to ask to you that British education is good or the Indian education is good? What you want? I'm asking just your view, not any bookish answer. Yes, Chaitanya. Sur. One by one I will ask beta. And what you are saying, justify your answer too.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think English language is more important nowadays. Ma'am, because now the people like, for example, if India, some jobs are not there, so people have to travel to foreign, and therefore for traveling there, they should know the basic language, which is English. So, ma'am, therefore English is nowadays a very important language to learn.
Nowadays it is very important because we the people make it important, है ना? Are you getting my points? We
Yes, ma'am.
we make
Ma'am,
it
but
important.
Ma'am, but in other countries, English language is, ma'am, very important, ma'am.
It means English is universal language,
Yes,
according to
yes.
your view. And what about the Sanskrit, which is Sanatan language, which is Sanatan लिपि and all? दुनिया का सबसे पहला लैंग्वेज संस्कृत लैंग्वेज है जो बोला गया था
Yes,
संस्कृत
ma'am.
और पाली से भी पहले, है ना?
Ma'am, now I think Sanskrit is declining a lot, ma'am, because from Sanskrit a new script which
Yes,
is
the thing I am saying, I can talk in both the means.
favors, both the
Both the
favors.
topic because listen here, Sanskrit is declined. Why it is declined? Because we Indian, uh, just because of this conflict, which I am going to teach you now. We that time we were what colony of Britain, है ना? हम इंडिया क्या था? ब्रिटेन का गुलाम था. Yes or no? And we have to follow all the orders of British. Yes or no? But that time
Yes,
some
ma'am.
reformers were there. Those who did not want such type of things that we should learn English. We can promote our Hindi language. With the Hindi, we can grow better. Here also, sometimes what it happen when we want to express our views, our feelings, not our views, our feelings. Which type of language we want to tell? Our mother tongue. Yes or no? So, children, Chaitanya is saying is no doubt all correct. वो सही बोल रहा है. But again, I would like to say each coin has two aspects. Fine. Okay, now Pulkit.
मैम
Hmm.
मैम
Yes, after ma'am. What happened, Pulkit? Yes, please tell.
मैम जो संस्कृत लैंग्वेज है मैम उस लैंग्वेज से तो कितने सारी भाषा में वर्ड लिए गए हैं जैसे इंग्लिश में स्पेनिश में
Yes.
फ्रेंच में तो मैम यूनिवर्स
Yes, many words are
तो मैम
derived from the Sanskrit
संस्कृत
language.
तो सबसे तो मैम वो कैसे लिया गया
The just same thing I am telling beta because look at here, Sanskrit is means very old language, है ना? And many words are derived, many languages
Ma'am,
derive their words from Sanskrit only. Yes, Chaitanya?
ma'am, I was telling that I saw ma'am one day, just before a few months, ma'am, I was searching in Google that, ma'am, I found that from Sanskrit was the root of all languages.
Hmm.
From Sanskrit, a language called European, plus there was some combined language from that. It was English language was derived, then Turkish, German,
Yes.
etc.
Huh.
All the languages in Asia.
Yes, yes. Not only in Asia, but also in European countries also. If you will see the origin of, if you will learn Pitri, Pitri is a पितृ जो बोलते हैं ना मातृ पितृ is a Sanskrit word है ना. Then it become पितृ पिता in Hindi. पिता से वो बना था PAT पैप, फिर PATH पैथ, फिर उससे बना था फादर। ऐसे करते करते ये सारे शब्दों का वो हुआ। कभी स्कूल में हम मिलते हैं तो इस बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है। सो all good, all of you are saying is good. Nowadays English is an universal language, so we should must know the English language, but we are talking of that time when our culture, our tradition was in a danger, because we were already what, colonial of, colonies of what, Britain, है ना। already हम गुलाम थे उस समय। yes children, so So here we are going to discuss two thinkers. One is Mahatma Gandhi, another is Rabindranath Tagore. Mahatma Gandhi was completely in against of English language, and Rabindranath Tagore was in favor of English language. So tomorrow in tomorrow class we will discuss these two views of these two thinkers. Now come to the points of notes. I got many notes. Some of notes I checked and written, and some checking work is going on. So keep patience. Very soon you will get your checked notes through the WhatsApp or through the mail only. Fine. Now, if you want to ask something related to today's discussion, you can ask. No issue. Nobody want to ask anything. Yes, children? None of you want to ask anything? Yes, Chaitanya?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you told me that when children did not came in, ma'am, like for example, harvesting had to be done in the farm of his father. So, ma'am, he helped him. So, ma'am, why were Britishers so strict that they did not allow the Indians to go in school after only one day holiday? Only one day holiday.
Only one day holiday means what? I'm not
मैम
getting.
सिर्फ एक ही दिन छुट्टी लिए थे ना उन लोगों को भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट काम आया
माइक
था
थोड़ा
उसके
दूर
कारण
करो ना, माइक थोड़ा दूर करो फिर बोलो। Now tell me.
मैम जैसे
हाँ
यस मैम नाउ यू आर एबल टू
हाँ
लिसन
हाँ, now it is your voice is clear. हाँ
मैम they took only one day holiday and ma'am just because there was a very important thing which had to be completed
no beta,
done.
actually the scene was different that time. That time the people were completely dependent on agriculture thing, है ना। So sometimes what it happened, at the time of growing crops, है ना, they need for 1 month 15 to 30 days for growing crops. So sometimes what it happens, children were not working on the field, then after they have to stay home because their parents were at the field, है ना। फिर second thing was, then at the time of harvesting it's not a job of one day, again it needs 15 to 30 days. These affected a lot. Fine. Yes, Saksham?
मैम आपने कहा जीमेल में भेजना, मैम वो जीमेल में भेजा ही नहीं रहा मैम। मैम वो बोल रहा है कि मैसेज इज टू आई। मैम वो 20 MB का है मैम, और किसी और में मैंने अपनी आईडी में भेजा तो वो भेजा रहा है।
तो बाकी लोगों के कैसे आ रहे हैं सक्षम? बाकी लोगों के भी
मैम 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 आपकी आईडी में नहीं भेजा रहा। अगर मैं उसको अपनी आईडी में डाल रहा हूँ ना 20 MB का, तो वो मेरे में आ रहा है।
बाकी बच्चों के नोट्स आए हैं ना बेटा? बाकी
मैम
बच्चों
वो
के
नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैम। मैम आपकी आईडी जो है ना वो 20 MB वाला जो पूरा फाइल है, जो मैंने फोटो खींची है, वो नहीं जा रही है।
आप मेरी बात
अगर मैं
सुनिए। अच्छा,
और अगर मैं अपने पापा की आईडी में भेज रहा हूँ तो वो जा रहा है। मतलब आपकी आईडी में सिर्फ नहीं जा रहा है, बाकी सबके में जा रहा है।
तो बाकी बच्चों के नोट्स भी तो आ रहे हैं ना बच्चे मेरी आईडी में, तभी तो मैं चेक करके रिटर्न। आप एक काम करिए, आप चैप्टर वाइज भेज दीजिए ना, चैप्टर 1 हिस्ट्री, चैप्टर 2 हिस्ट्री, लाइक दैट, है ना। यस पुलकित। पुलकित टेल।
यस मैम। मैम गांधी जी,
What? Bhumika, I
Ma'am,
checked your notes and written it to
गांधी
you.
जी,
हाँ, Gandhi ji what? It's
मैम वो इंग्लिश भाषा के अगेंस्ट क्यों थे?
tomorrow I will tell the same.
मैम क्योंकि वो खुद एजुकेट थे और इंडिया वालों को
Tomorrow I will tell.
मैम
Pulkit, tomorrow I will tell. On this topic we will discuss tomorrow. Yes, Chaitanya?
Ma'am, you didn't let me complete which I was telling only.
You were
Ma'am, I
telling-
was telling that, ma'am, they expelled the children from school, so ma'am, they knew that ma'am, unka hi ghata ho raha hai, so why did they do that?
sorry?
Ma'am, it was only their loss. They were expelling children and they expected that they would become truthful after education.
Actually, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, I will write in chat box.
Okay. So do it fast because we have only 1 minute in our hand. I'm waiting for your chat. Okay. So what Pulkit was saying, tomorrow we will discuss in detail. And Bhumika, I have sent you a checked notes. Why you are asking again it? Fine. So hope you all are enjoying your chapter. Okay, ma'am, it was British laws that they expelled many students and expected them to truthful after education. Yes, but it was a trick also. They wanted means rich students only. Got it, Chaitanya? They wanted rich students only. So we can discuss it tomorrow also. Till then, stay home, stay safe.